What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A lot of stuff has happened in the past 24 hours, so let's talk about it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you love money, because I've called out all these tokens for anybody else, and y'all guys have been going absolutely crazy on the channel. I appreciate all the support. Leave a like on this video. Also follow me on Instagram if you want any of these plays a little bit earlier. Also, you can chat with me there. And also check out my free Discord down below. And then I have the paid Discord for exclusive members if you want one-on-one calls with me and stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So what we're gonna be talking about today is, like I said, which one I think is gonna hit a cent or a dollar first out of all the ones I've called out. So if you guys watched yesterday's video, you might have saw that I said everything that just happened yesterday night. Like, we dipped so much. We dipped 30-40% on Hokk. I called that out in the video. I said we're gonna dip. Most likely gonna happen with all these whales leaving, which is good for us because that's more tokens that we get. And that's what exactly happened. And now we're up 60% on the day, new all-time highs. Hope you guys held through that. Yeah, which one's my favorite? I get this question a lot. Which one should I invest into? How do I avoid these fees? I get a lot of these questions every single day, so I decided to make a video about it. If you have a limited amount of money, out of all like the 5 that I'm in right now, which one should you pick? SafeMoon, Keanu, Kishu, Shiba, Hokk. Which one should I pick? Now, if I were in your shoes right now and say you have a limited amount of money, if you're paying attention to this video and you just want to invest in one coin, I really think you should pick between Shiba and Hokk. The reason why is because these have extreme roadmaps ahead. Hokk is about to go stupid. The chart is primed. We're just going to keep going up, I think. They have Hokk Pay coming out, their own exchange. Same with Shiba, SHIBASWAP. So a lot of stuff to be looking forward to with these coins, but I think that you should invest in one of these. This is not financial advice. Obviously, I could be wrong with everything. That's just how crypto is. But I think that we have a lot more leg room, especially in Hokk, because Shiba is literally already done so much, and Hokk is still very low compared to Shiba's chart. And if we do anything like Shiba does, dude, I'm gonna be a millionaire, multi-millionaire, and you guys will too. So I'm gonna make a video on these fees because you guys have always asked me about how to avoid these fees. I found a little hack that can kind of get away with some of this stuff. So upload that tomorrow. But yeah, I appreciate all the support. This is just a quick video to answer this question I get every single day. If you guys want to ask any more questions, follow me on Instagram or check out my Discord below. Thank you so much for all the support on these videos. I love the short form, like vlog style videos, because I can just get them out really quick and you guys enjoy them. So out of all those, pick Shib or Hokk. I'm checking out some more coins, new tokens, all that stuff's coming soon on the channel. I'm gonna drop some new plays, but now I'm at this point now, I've called out everything correct. I'm trying to give you some really good plays that I think will do good. And there's been some plays I've gotten in that have done like 16,000% overnight that I haven't called, and that will only be called in the Discord because those are a little too risky. But love you guys so much. If you're in Hokk, let me know. Let me know which one you're in or what tokens you're looking at in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.